Keeping your floors spotless doesn't have to be a hassle. In this video, we'll reveal the best mop to clean vinyl floors, ensuring your surfaces stay shiny, streak-free, and protected. Let's find the perfect tool for your home. Number 1. O-Cedar Rinse Clean Spin Mop. The O-Cedar Rinse Clean Spin Mop is a smart, practical choice for anyone looking to maintain spotless vinyl floors without the hassle of dirty mop water. One of its standout features is the dual-chamber bucket system, which keeps clean and dirty water separate throughout the cleaning process. This ensures you're always mopping with fresh water, making it highly hygienic and effective. The mop is equipped with a built-in foot pedal that lets you control the level of moisture in the mop head, so you can easily adjust based on the mess you're tackling and the sensitivity of your flooring. Notably, it removes over 99% of bacteria using just water, reducing the need for harsh chemicals and making it a safer option for households with kids and pets. A huge plus is the cost-saving potential. Compared to disposable spray mops, the O-Cedar Rinse Clean can save users up to 4 times annually. Its microfiber mop heads are not only machine washable, but also long-lasting, cutting down on replacement costs and waste. Number 2. O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket System continues to be a customer favorite, and it's easy to see why. This mop effectively removes over 99% of bacteria with just water, which makes it ideal for households looking to limit chemical use while still achieving a deep sanitary clean on vinyl floors. One of its most appreciated features is the hands-free ringing system. The built-in ringer, operated by a foot pedal, makes it simple to control the moisture level in the mop head without getting your hands wet. Plus, the splash guard feature keeps water contained within the bucket, minimizing splashes when wringing or moving the bucket. The mop head itself is made of millions of advanced microfiber strands capable of lifting dirt, dust, and grime effortlessly. It's machine washable and reusable, making it an economical and eco-friendly choice for regular cleaning. The patented triangular design of the mop head isn't just for show, it allows you to easily reach into corners, along baseboards, and under furniture. Additionally, the 360-degree rotation ensures smooth maneuverability around obstacles and tight spaces. Safe for all hard floors, including vinyl, tile, hardwood, and laminate, the Easy Ring system is versatile enough to handle any room in your home. Users appreciate its lightweight design and ease of use, especially for quick cleanups or more thorough all-over mopping. The availability of refill mop heads ensures you can always have a fresh one ready for those unexpected messes. Whether you're dealing with daily dirt or tougher grime, this mop makes maintaining beautiful, clean vinyl floors effortless and efficient. Number 3. Bissell 20393 Spin Wave Mop. The Bissell 20393 Spin Wave Mop is an excellent option for anyone seeking effortless cleaning power for their vinyl floors. This corded electric mop features powerful dual spin pads that do the scrubbing for you, tackling tough sticky messes with minimal effort. Safe for use on sealed hard floors, including vinyl, hardwood, tile, and linoleum, this mop makes quick work of everyday dirt and stubborn grime. One of the mop's most convenient features is its on-demand spray trigger. With just the press of a button, you can dispense Bissell's cleaning formula precisely where you need it, allowing for targeted stain removal without oversaturating your floors. The Spin Wave comes with 6 reusable, machine-washable mop pads, including both soft touch pads for gentle cleaning and scrubby pads for tackling tougher dirt. This versatility ensures you have the right tool for any job without the waste and cost of disposable pads. The lightweight design and swivel steering make it a breeze to maneuver around furniture, into corners, and along baseboards. This ease of movement is a significant advantage for anyone dealing with larger rooms or frequent cleaning. The Spin Wave's operation is quiet compared to other powered mops, making it suitable for use at any time of day without disturbing the household. Included in the box are 3 trial-sized bottles of Bissell's cleaning solutions, providing you with enough product for 6 full cleaning sessions right out of the gate. The Bissell 20393 Spin Wave Mop combines power, convenience, and versatility, making it a great addition to any home's cleaning arsenal, especially for those with vinyl floors.
Number 4. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. The Shark S1000 Steam Mop is a fantastic choice for those seeking a chemical-free deep cleaning solution for their vinyl floors. This mop uses the natural power of steam to sanitize and eliminate grease, grime, and bacteria, all without the need for harsh chemicals. The result is a streak-free, residue-free finish that's safe for kids and pets. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to carry between rooms and simple to store. At under 5 pounds, it's perfect for quick cleanups and can easily be maneuvered around furniture and tight spaces thanks to its sleek body and swivel steering. The 18-foot power cord provides an extended cleaning range, so you won't have to stop frequently to switch outlets. A key feature is the removable water tank, which is easy to fill at any sink and holds enough water for multiple cleanings. The mop heats up in just 30 seconds, providing fast, on-demand steam that loosens up stuck-on dirt and debris with ease. Its dirt grip textured microfiber mop pads are machine washable and designed for superior absorption and scrubbing power, making them effective against everyday messes and tougher grime alike. This mop is suitable for all sealed hard floors, including vinyl, hardwood, tile, and laminate. The chemical-free sanitization aspect makes it especially appealing to eco-conscious homeowners and families with small children or pets. The Shark S1000 is a reliable, no-fuss option for those who value simplicity, efficiency, and a natural approach to cleaning their vinyl floors. Number 5. O-Cedar H2prO Spray Mop. The O-Cedar H2prO Spray Mop is a practical, eco-friendly solution for cleaning vinyl floors with ease and precision. Featuring a dual-tank system, it keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring every swipe across your floors uses fresh water. This design minimizes cross-contamination and leaves floors cleaner and streak-free, making it a standout for busy households. The mop's compact, lightweight design is perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or multi-level homes. Its slim profile allows it to fit neatly under sinks and makes it easy to carry from room to room. Integrated water jets evenly saturate the mop pad for consistent, thorough cleaning without relying on batteries, which is both sustainable and wallet-friendly. Included with the H2prO is a durable microfiber mop pad that's washable and reusable, saving money on disposable pads. It's designed to effectively lift dirt, dust, and grime from all sealed hard floor surfaces, including vinyl, hardwood, tile, and laminate. The extra-wide mop head covers more ground in fewer passes, speeding up your cleaning routine. An adjustable telescopic handle extends out to 56 inches, reducing the need for bending and helping reach under furniture or into tight spaces. This ergonomic feature, combined with the mop's lightweight build, makes it a comfortable and practical choice for daily cleaning tasks. The O-Cedar H2prO offers an efficient, chemical-free way to maintain beautiful, clean vinyl floors. Its thoughtful design, ease of use, and reusable components make it a smart investment for eco-conscious homeowners who value both performance and sustainability. Like the video, heed the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.